animals use many different combs, lotions, and creams. Many of them are designed to seduce their mates, others to clean their bodies. As you'll see, some of these substances are surprising, and others are very simple. For instance, saliva. With the classic tongue licking and some toothbrushing, you can keep your fur well combed and clean. But not every mammal can comb or wash itself with just its tongue. For some of them, it would be very painful, to say the least. What is this animal doing? Is it licking itself? It's clear its bristles do not need to be combed, and that it is impossible to get to its skin to remove the parasites, even with such long nails as those. But if the hedgehog is not cleaning itself, why is it licking its bristles? This bristle-licking behavior is not easily found in nature. However, scientists say that this strange conduct is part of the cleaning habits of this species. No explanation has been given, but they have given it a name: auto-spitting. After following a specimen for several days, we found that the hedgehog usually ate something before auto-spitting and licking its mantle. At first we thought it was looking for larvae, but then we found that it was looking for strong-smelling things and that it mixed them with its saliva. Sometimes it chewed rosemary leaves, but it preferred other animals' stool. It seems the hedgehog wants to hide its own smell. It masks its smell with another smell. It scents itself. We shouldn't be surprised by the hedgehog's custom. Our most sophisticated perfumes are made of very bad-smelling essences. A minute portion of foul-smelling goat musk, combined with other odors, results in delicate and suggestive aromas that change body smell. The fragrances that man likes the most are designed by flowers. But are we insects? Is this just another coincidence? Some little creatures also resort to lotions to camouflage themselves. The skimmer is a lazy creature. Most of the time, it hangs around on plant stems, from which it extracts the essence to produce its foam. In just a few minutes, bubbles will cover its body and will hide it from predators. It seems the foam is so bitter that nobody wants to taste it. It's also thought that it may work as an isolating air chamber. Skimmers live in arid regions under a burning sun during the warmest season. Therefore, it's also said that the main function for such a hydrating lotion is ultraviolet ray protection. If these theories are true, skimmers are the proud owners of a multiple patent for a UV-40 sun protection factor perfumed moisturizing cream. Moreover, everybody needs a sun lotion, and many animals have delicate skin. The shiny appearance of some amphibians is due to hydrating lotions produced by special glands in their skins. Exposing yourself to the sun is dangerous. It warms, regulates, and lights you up, But if you're not careful, it may burn, scorch, and kill you. The sun's burning energy is such that there are people who make use of it. Vultures usually get very dirty due to their feeding habits, and little bits of decaying food may be lodged among their feathers. They clean themselves often, but a possible mass infestation of bacteria and germs could escape from such a large comb. Vultures have learned that a sunbath taken at noon, when the atmosphere is not a good ultraviolet filter, and when radiation is most aggressive, is the most efficient system to get rid of any microbes that want to live among their feathers. Man employs the same ultraviolet cleaning and germicide system to sterilize water, air, or canned food. It's a really efficient system, although risky, because ultraviolet light may burn the skin or blind a person in just a few seconds while also cleaning you. Many other birds take sunbaths like vultures do. Anhingas spend most of their time sunning themselves. They don't want a radioactive cleaning job. They only want to dry off. They're underwater hunters and have to soak their feathers to keep from floating too much. Wet feathers, however, are not good for flying, and you never know when danger might crop up. Anhingas must take sunbaths after each of their plunges in order to be able to fly. They spread their wings and body as much as they can to get as much radiation as possible. The well-aired and sun-warmed feathers will dry very quickly. A combination of airing and evaporation. We do the same thing when we hang our washed clothes out to dry. We spread and stretch the clothes so the sun can shine on them well, not to prevent wrinkles and save ironing as some people think. However, most birds, even those that live in aquatic ecosystems, do not go underwater. They don't need to do it, and can't afford to. Soaking in water means weighing too much, and then you can't fly. Flight control is achieved thanks to feathers. Air-adapted surface-making feathers must be in good condition, clean and in good order. The beak is the tool that orders the thousands of feathers covering a bird. This feather overlaps this one, and this one that other one. Water helps to wash dirt away, and it's most refreshing and relaxing.